Hello, I'm Anna. Earlier on we explored training our bot to respond to open-ended queries using intent samples. In REVE Chat, you have the option to add intent samples manually, upload a file with multiple training data, or utilize untrained visitor queries post-bot publication when visitors engage with it. Intent samples are utilized for training the bot to understand visitor input, while FAQs provide ready-made responses to commonly asked questions, enhancing the chatbot's efficiency in delivering accurate information. In this video, we are going to learn how we can utilize the FAQ training feature of REVE Chatbot. So let's dive right in. After going to the Training tab, we have to click the FAQ submenu. When you create a new bot, 3 FAQs are created as default with REVE Chat details. For this tutorial, we are going to delete them and create from scratch. To add a FAQ response, we have to click the Add FAQ button at the top right corner. A pop-up will appear, where we have to provide a name and select either node or a custom response as the reply. When you select custom response, a text box will appear where you will have to type in the custom message. Then after clicking the Create FAQ button, a new window will appear, where you can add intent variants of your original FAQ question. And if you scroll down, you can add keyword response for the visitor when he asks a more detailed inquest of the original query. Now, let's include a couple of intent variants for our FAQ. These variants ensure that when a visitor poses a question slightly different from the one originally provided, the designated response will still be triggered. You can add these variants manually or upload an Excel file with all the intent variants. After that, let's add a couple of more detailed queries of the original one using keyword response by clicking the Add button. In the pop-up, we will add the expected keyword along with the reply. Keyword response is used when the FAQ might have a more detailed answer, but it will be triggered when the visitor types in that keyword. For example, our FAQ is about our office location. We will add keyword response about specific office location in different countries. So, when a visitor types in that keyword, the relevant answer will be triggered. Similarly, let's add one more FAQ by adding a question keyword with a response. Then we are going to add a couple of intent variants along with couple of keyword response. After publishing our bot, we are going to try the FAQ option by clicking the Test It Out button. We are going to type a couple of messages similar to our trained data. After our bot identifies the query, it will show relevant FAQ response in the chat widget. If your bot fails to respond to a frequently asked question, you can train the data in the Untrained menu by clicking it and selecting the appropriate FAQ from the list. That is how you can make your chatbot answer frequently asked question. Thank you for watching the video. Hit the subscribe button with notification turned on. See you next time.